Yes. Hello students. This is Akshita, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. So as we know friends, Global Online platform is a platform where you can prepare for different entrance examination. Similarly, Global Online platform has now launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023. In this particular course, we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET exam. So in this particular series, we'll be discussing the topics from the chapter or the unit mathematics. In today's lecture number 1, we'll be discussing few of the important terms and we'll solve some questions regarding the basics of the mathematics, which is required for paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. Now we'll discuss the question, or we'll keep an approach to solve the question in such a manner that we'll learn certain tips, we'll learn some tricks or the way or the approach how we can get the answer in limited span of time. Okay, so reading the question and dealing the question without using the pen, or solve the question without using this pen in few seconds, this is the main highlighting feature of the complete course. Okay, so whether it is a question from the basic foundation or whether the question it is from the difficulty level, each and every question will be discussed in detail, as well as for each question a short trick will be used or a short approach will be used so that you can get the answer in limited period of time. Okay, so before moving into the video friends, let us discuss what are the features launched by the Global Online platform for upcoming central teacher eligibility test examination. Now the complete course consists of the following features for paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. Full syllabus theory lectures will be provided to you. At the same time, practice multiple MCQs, mock test will be provided. Full syllabus notes will be given to you in the form of PDF so that you can go through these notes once and you'll able to understand the whole syllabus or the whole topics which are required for the examination and which are important as exam relevant. So the course fees for all above features with the theory lectures, multiple MCQs, practice, mock test, full syllabus notes will be provided to you in the course fees of 2000 rupees. For joining the course, you can download the Global Online application or contact us on the given WhatsApp numbers over here. The first WhatsApp number is 8669316919, or you can contact on the another number which is 8179138413. Okay, so whichever number you want, you can get contact to that particular number, or you can get enrolled to the course by downloading the Global Online application, and from there also you can get enrolled to the course which is available on the Play Store. So now, before discussing the course in detail, before starting up the foundation, first question that I have mentioned here is what is the local value or the place value of 2 in the given number. Okay, so here there are two important terms, that is the local value or the place value of a digit. Okay, or the second question, that is what is the face value of 2 in the given number, the same number again 342. So here we are coming across the three important terms. One is the local value or the place value, and the second important term is the face value. Okay, whenever we are discussing or whenever we are discussing any topic from the mathematics, first foundation or the basic foundation that we study is about the numbers. Okay, now what are the important facts and important formulae for the numbers, like what is numeral, what is place value or the local value of a digit. Okay, what are the face values, what are the types of numbers. These are the important terms that we have to understand. Similarly, in this approach only we are going to study each and every topic from the number and the number system. Okay, section 1 for this is the arithmetical ability that we'll be discussing. So before answering this question, let us understand what is the place value and what is the face value. As well as in today's lecture we'll try to understand that what are the types of numbers. Also in upcoming lectures we'll be discussing what are the types of the divisibility tests. Okay, again multiplication by using the shortcut method, this is also something regarding the foundation we are going to discuss in the upcoming lectures. Okay, so before starting, let us understand now the first important term when we'll discuss the number system, that is the numeral. Okay, so numeral is nothing but it is what we can say in Hindu Arabic system, we are using certain symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the important 10 digits, or these are the numbers that are used to represent any other number. Okay, these are the digits, these are the digits to represent any other number. This is nothing but numeral. So in Hindu Arabic system, we are using this certain symbols. These are symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to represent any other numbers. It means that using this particular 10 digits over here, we are representing the whole numbers, right? So for example, if we see the number like 999, in this particular 3-digit number, we are using a same digit thrice, right? In the number like 671, we are using 3 different digits. One is 6, the other one is 7 and the another one is 1. So this is nothing but this is the terminology named as numeral. The next important term that we have to study to understand the number system, that is the place value, and based upon this only I have asked you the question. Now what is place value? And it is also called as local value. This is also called as local value. I'll give you an example for understanding this particular question or understanding this particular terminology. For example, I have given a number to you over here, which is 68 crores 97 lakh 45,132. So this is a huge number. Okay. So we represent any given number like this particular huge number as how it is represented as 68 crores 97 lakh 45,132. Okay. Now here we have to understand, whenever we are representing this particular huge number, we are reading it as 68 crores 96 lakh 45,132. So in this particular number, if I am asking you that tell me the place value as well as the face value for all the numbers given in this particular huge digit. Okay. So for example, if we look at this digit, let me change the color of pen here. If we look at this particular digit, okay, so one thing we know that the place value is the value at which one particular given number is present. Okay, so to understand again in detail, we know one thing, that we represent any number in such a manner like we give the units place, right? Then we give the tens place for the number, and then we give the hundred, then we give the thousands place. Yes, then we give 10,000s place, right? So whatever the places we are assigning to one particular given digit, that particular place is nothing but the place value. Okay, to understand this in detail, let us just go through all these places once. Then we give lakhs, then we give 10 lakhs is the place. Okay, next place is the crores, CRORERs, okay, and then is 10 crores, RES. Okay, so here if I give you a number, that again the same 68 crores 97 lakh 45,132 is the number. Okay, now here let us go through each and every digit and understand what is the place value for the given digit. Okay, so the place value for this above given number is place value for 2. Place value for 2 is what? 2 is at the unit place. We know it is at the unit place. So for unit place we take 2 into 1. This is equals to 2. 2 is the unit place. 2 is at the unit place, right? So if we look at the place value 3, the place value for 3, the place value for 3 will be 3 into 10. Why 3 into 10? Because the 3 is located at the tens place. Hence 3 into 10, that is equal to 30. So the place value for 3 is what? 30. If I am asking you now, tell me the place value of 1. The place value of 1 is what? 1 is located at unit, tens and hundreds place. So here I'll be doing 1 into 100, that is equal to the 100. So the place value for digit 1 in this given value is 100. Similarly, the place value for digit 5 is what? So 5 is at which place? Units, tens, hundreds, and this is located at the thousands place. So multiply this 5 into 1000. 1, 2 and 3. So the place value for digit 5 in this given value is 5000. Now tell me the place value for digit 6 in this given whole number. So the place value for digit 6 will be, just try to understand the location or the place where the number is located. Okay, the number has been given which position over here. This is the units place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, this is the thousands, this is the 10,000s place, this is the lakhs place, this is the 10 lakhs, this is crores, and this is the 10 crores. So it means we are going to multiply 6 into 10 raised to 8 times. Why? This is first one time, that is we have multiplied it by 1. This is we have multiplied with 10, this with 100, this with 1000, this with 10,000, this with lakh, 10 lakh, crores and 1 crore. And in 10 crore, if we try to understand there are how many zeros, there are 8 zeros. So here 6 with 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 6 with 8 zeros is the place value, for the digit 6 in this given value. This is what we have to understand regarding the place value. Okay, please take the screenshot. Now let us answer the question given here, that they have asked us the local value or the place value. Now the local value or the place value is the one and the same. Okay, so they can use the term local value or they can use the term place value also. So in the given number 342 के लिए, what is the place value for the digit 2? Now digit 2 is located at which place? It is located at the units place. So for units place, what are we going to multiply with? We are multiplying it with 1. So the value, the place value for 2 will be what, sir? 2. Got it? If they have asked us in question, if they had asked us that what is the place value for the digit 3? So for digit 3, what is the place value? It is located at units, tens and hundreds place. So 3 into 100 karna hai, that will be 300. So the place value for the given digit 3 is what? 300. Okay, now so the second question was find the face value. Now we have to understand the fact here, what is the face value, the terminology. Face value, we have understood the place value already. Now we'll understand what is the face value. It is a very simple thing. The face value of any digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself. A value of digit itself is nothing but the face value. For example, I'll take the same number. For example, I'll take 2423. Okay, so in this particular given question that I'm asking you, tell me the face value of 2, or let us consider this as 7. Tell me the face value face value for 2 in this given number. Okay, so the face value of 2 will be 2 only. The face value of 4 will be 4 itself again. The value of the digit 7, the place value or the face value for the digit 7 is the number itself again, the 7. The face value for digit 3 is the value of digit itself again, that is 3. So this is what is the difference between the place value and face value. So important was about the place value. Place value, and to understand the place value आपको ये arrangement समझना is important, that how the place for the digits are given in any number. Units place, tens place, 100 place, 10,000s, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. So depending upon that we are assigning the place value. Okay, for units it is 1, for tens it is 10 and so on. So in this way you have to understand the difference between the place value or local value and the face value. So this was the some important facts about the number. Next important thing, so okay, before that we'll answer this question. Now we know in the given number 342, what is the face value for digit 2? It is 2. Got it? So this was the difference between the face value and the place value. Okay, so nextly that we'll be studying in today's lecture is about the types of the numbers. So just I'll give you an introduction regarding the types of numbers. Okay, so what are the types of numbers? That is the natural number, whole number, integer, even number, odd number, prime number, okay, composite number. So based upon this particular type of numbers we'll be discussing the questions and how to solve the questions in short or limited span of time. Okay, so now look, for 4 to 5 lectures we'll be discussing some basic foundations which are required for mathematics, and also at the same time there are many students who are weak at mathematics. I think they find themselves weak at mathematics. No one is weak at mathematics, only the thing is that you have left your mathematics in the 10th standard itself. Okay, and now it is a huge gap between the 10th standard and the point where you are studying the mathematics. Okay, so you have to gap this or you have to bridge this huge gap in between these particular 2 points. So for that I will be discussing some basic foundation which are required for you guys. Like in today's lecture we have discussed place value and face value. In tomorrow's lecture we'll be discussing the types of number in detail. Just I'll give you a brief idea, and in day after tomorrow's lecture we'll be discussing the types of the divisibility test. So divisibility test from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 divisibility test, 9 divisibility test, 10, 11, 12 divisibility test. Similarly 14, 15, 16 divisibility test will be discussed. Again the divisibility test of 24, 40 and 80 will be discussed. So this will be the 16 divisibility test that we'll be discussing in the upcoming lectures. Okay, so now for that what are we going to discuss in the types of number? I'll give you some brief idea regarding that. So in types of number, the very first number we'll be discussing is the natural number. So the natural number, what is the natural number? Okay, and based upon the, now many students ask the question, ma'am, natural number and whole number is a very basic terms, and based upon these terms does really CTET examination ask the question? So my answer for this is yes. Why? Because there was one question, that is only even prime number is which number was asked in the examination. Okay, second thing important is tell us about the non-positive and non-negative integer. This is also something important for the basics. I'll tell you again. Okay, so based upon these basics, or these basics are going to help you in the upcoming advanced lectures. So we'll be discussing this in detail. So the next terminology that we'll be discussing will be the type of number, that is the whole number. Prime number क्या है? At the same time, what are the composite numbers? Okay, again something prime number के साथ साथ we'll be discussing the co-prime numbers also. Okay, what are the co-prime numbers, what are the prime numbers, and prime numbers greater than 100, prime numbers up to 100. So how to deal with the prime numbers which are greater than 100, how to understand that, we'll discuss each and everything in detail. Okay, so आज के lecture के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी था. This was end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. If you have any kind of doubt regarding today's lecture, you can ask me in the comment section and let me know if there are any kind of suggestions. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, please just subscribe the channel and stick to this complete series launched by the Global Online platform. As well as for the enrollment of course, you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, that is 8669316919 or 8179138413, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. So this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it, and I hope you'll have a great day and keep learning and keep watching the videos. Bye.